Alright, this is the signal from across the street.
Hey everyone, this is the NETGEAR Nighthawk AX5200 EX6 6-stream Wi-Fi router. Got this from Best Buy for $149. Regularly it's $300. I'm upgrading my router, so I'm gonna unbox this one and do a little bit of tests. And by next week, by next week, I'm gonna update you guys and how it does, because you'll never know, until you actually try it for a week or more. Alright, so I'm gonna start the unboxing now. So inside the box is a quick start guide. Download the Nighthawk app to install it to your router. So you can use an app. And some directions in the back. Here's the actual router. Pretty nice. It's like one of those Starfighter from Star Wars. I might have to take this QR code here. I might have to scan that later. I'm not sure yet. Very light. Plastic, of course. We're not gonna make metal out of it. Another antenna. 4 antennas. The Ethernet cable. And a power plug. And that's it. Nothing. Install the antennas. Wrong way to do it. So to bend, you have to have this part here. If you want to bend it, you have to keep this part up so you can bend it. There we go. Now tighten it. Alright, so this router has 4.3 times better performance than the AC router. It can connect to more Wi-Fi devices. It has a powerful 1.5 gigahertz triple core processor, and for 4K streaming. It has 4 gigabyte Ethernet ports. It has a maximum range, and it supports 160 megahertz channel support and greater than 1 gigabits Wi-Fi speeds. It supports Wi-Fi 6 on all current Wi-Fi devices, and it's backward compatible with the Wi-Fi 5, an earlier version. It also has the cybersecurity, which I don't use. The Nighthawk app that I gave up using. So first thing we need to do is download the app. So I'm going to download the app, the Nighthawk app. You can also log in via the web browser, and I'll put the link below of how to log in via web browser. So let me download it and get started. Set up your network, blah blah blah. So I'm just gonna probably gonna do it up. See, it's asking for the QR code that was in the wrapper, so I'm gonna have to do that. So you're gonna scan the QR code. So this router you cannot do a setup offline, so you have to plug it in directly to the modem. So I'm gonna plug this in. Of course, the modem goes over here to the yellow port. All right, so I'm gonna start again. So I got a thing here that says internet not connected, so I have to restart the modem. By the way, my modem is also a NETGEAR brand, so I don't know what happened there. So it's restarting now, and hopefully it'll, when I click try again, hopefully it'll work. Should be, it's supposed to be painless, by the way. Not always though. Alright. So I gave up using the app. It was too cumbersome for me, so I logged into 192.168. That one, and that one goes faster to set up. Much easier than the web app. So I'm gonna try now is I'm gonna go all the way to the end of my backyard and in the front of the house, the side, left and right, and see if how wide this thing goes, how far it goes, the signal. Right. So I got full bar at the end of the house, in the corner here. So I'm gonna go outside now, see how much bar they're gonna get. Alright, this is the signal from the sidewalk in front of my house on the right side, the farthest right. And this is the signal from across the street. The signal is pretty good. It's like 3 bars. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.